raging fire, out of control inside, I'm burning, can't contain. Lost in chaos.